In this video, we will talk about how to determine the difference quotient for a rational function. So the formula to find the difference quotient of a function is f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So let's consider the function f of x is equal to 2 over x plus 9. How can we find the difference quotient for this function? So let's write dq, difference quotient, will be equal to, first we need to write the function by replacing x with x plus h. So instead of writing 2 over x plus 9, we're going to replace this x with an x plus h. So let's write that. 2 over, instead of x, we have x plus h, and then plus 9. And then we subtract the entire function, so we'll say minus this entire function of 2 over x plus 9. And then this whole thing is written over h. So the next step is we want to get rid of these denominators right here within these two fractions in the numerator. So the way that we can do that is we can multiply both fractions by the least common denominator. In this case, the least common denominator would just be both of the denominators multiplied together. So here's what we can write. Let's multiply the numerator by x plus h plus 9 times x plus 9. So we're just multiplying by these two existing denominators. Now whatever we do to the numerator, we also want to do to the denominator, this h right here. So we're also going to multiply the h by x plus h plus 9 times x plus 9. Now when we do that, we'll see that when we multiply this fraction by this quantity right here, these x plus h plus 9s will perfectly cancel out. And we'll just be left with 2 times x plus 9. So we'll have x plus 9. And then we have minus, when we multiply this fraction by this quantity, the x plus 9s will cancel out. And we'll just be left with 2 times this parentheses right here. So x plus h plus 9. And that's all over, we have h multiplied by this quantity. So let's write that. Okay, so now let's simplify the numerator a little bit. So we can distribute this 2 into these parentheses and we'll get 2x plus 2 times 9 is 18. And then we can distribute this 2 into these parentheses. So we get minus 2x minus 2h minus 2 times 9 is 18. And that's all over the same denominator here. Now in the numerator, we'll notice that this positive 2x cancels out with this negative 2x. This 18 cancels out with this negative 18. And all we're left with is negative 2h. So here's what we have. Now the last step is we'll notice that this h in the numerator and denominator cancel out. So our final answer is just going to be negative 2 over x plus h plus 9 times x plus 9. So this is our final answer. So that is how you can find the difference quotient for a rational function.